Good morning ka-Unified! Kung ikaw ay isang bagong member po ng Unified Products and Services, so meron ka pong libre na insurance covered by Malayan for one year po yan. So para ma-claim po ang inyong insurance, search lang po sa Google Online Support Unified. So click Online Support System. So after that, meron pong dalawa, create ticket or view existing ticket. So mag-create po tayo. Click create ticket. So after that, fill upan nyo lang po yung name, full name, then email address. So yan. Then ang category niya ay customer support, priority high, please check account owner, then reg code G99, then yung message. So nag-edit na po ako kanina. So meron po siyang format. Fill up nyo lang po. So ganyan, good day. I am new member or marami kasi akong account. So yung isang account ko, mag-claim ako ng insurance. I am new member, ganito po yung i-type nyo. Or copy-paste na lang. I am new member, I would like to claim my free insurance. Reg code nyo. So, first name, middle name, last name. Yan po, birthday, occupation, email address, franchise. So, email ad. Okay na pala, meron na. Meron na akong email ad. Then, beneficiary, kung any age po, pwede pong kahit bata or matanda or senior, pwede po siyang maging beneficiary ng inyong insurance. Ang insurer lang, ang assured lang dapat is 18 to 63 years old. So after that, wag kalimutang mag-thank you very much. Then, spam prevention, type the number to see in the picture below. Copy lang ang number 99895. Then, submit. Click submit, itong orange, submit. So, wrong security number, ulitin natin. 57036. Click submit, itong orange pala. Oo. So, okay na. Ticket submitted. Your ticket has been successfully submitted. Reference ID number. So, huwag kalimutang screenshot po yung reference number. And then, i-view yung ticket mo. So, halimbawa, makalimutan mo, at least na-screenshot mo siya. Sulat mo sa notebook mo, mas maigi na ito yung ticket number ng inyong free insurance. So, view ticket. So, antayin lang po natin yung reply po ng online support. So, yung free insurance niyo po ay isend agad yan sa inyong email. Okay? Yan. So, yan. So, after po doon sa ginawa mong create ticket, so, yung free Malayan insurance mo ay isi-send yan ng CSR sa inyong email address. Kung anong nilagay nyo na email address doon. So, ito sinend na Ma'am Norini. So, yan. Then, download nyo lang po. So, ito na ang free Malayan insurance niyo po. Okay? So, ayan. So,